So depending on the wind direction, it's certainly picked up. We're on the last 5 minutes of aviation daylight. Let's see if I can bag a quick last flight. So chap was chatting to there with his partner, American lady. His brother does a lot of stuff with paragliding. Yes, search and rescue pilot. So he was saying he keeps picking them up with the smashed up legs, etc., and in the water on sea cliffs. Right, so wait till these cars are clear. Let's get this tidied out a wee bit more. The vehicle's well clear there. Going along here. Ross just coming in from the field via the gate. Wait. Settle it. Check the vehicle. There we go. Nice and easy. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Lazy and efficient. No, you're fine there. So just tiptoe, wee thrust, just to get up onto the barrier. Then slow stand. Yep. Now the more airspeed I've got on, the better it'll fly. So if I backtrack along here and then start going along the ridge, when I take off it's got more airspeed. So just tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Wait for it. Launching. And you'll be on YouTube. That is precision. And bounce, recheck the airspace. Recheck. Check. Now, direction's not great for this, but let's see if I can fly over the fence. Well, I guess social media will have me tonight. Somebody's 16th birthday, I'd guess. That's very crossed. Might just drop it over the fence with that wind direction, or over the gate more likely. Trailing the risers. Yeah, definitely with this wind direction, I think I'll just drop it over the gate, save carrying it.